Hi there, I'm going to be sharing a very elegant and beautiful pull through updo. If you aren't already familiar with the pull through braid, it might be helpful for you to watch my previous video first so that you familiarize yourself with the pull through braid technique. So once you have that down, you're going to go ahead and make sure you comb through your hair. You are going to separate the hair into ponytails. We are going to work from left to right. So you're going to tie two separate ponytails. You're going to start off with the first ponytail you created on the very far left. You're going to open it up like an alligator's mouth. You're going to pull the second ponytail through that alligator's mouth. And then you're going to clip that second ponytail so it stays out of the way. So just like the pull-through braid, only you're working horizontally, you're going to incorporate hair to the first ponytail. You're going to incorporate some hair, gathering it from the right-hand side. Just a small amount so that it's not too thick. You're going to go ahead and tie that up, secure it with a hair tie. One technique or one tip I would suggest is to wrap the tiny rubber bands around one of your fingers so that you have access to it quickly. So you're going to secure the ponytail, and then you're going to release the second ponytail that you clipped aside, and then you're going to do the same thing. So this is the pull through braid technique. You're going to open up the ponytail like an alligator's mouth, so you're going to open it wide, and then you're going to pull the other ponytail straight through, and again you'll clip that ponytail aside. And then all you need to do is just to continue this process, repeat this pattern. So again, I'm going to grab that ponytail and incorporate more hair from the right hand side. Make sure you section out the pieces of or the strands of hair so that you don't have any sticking, or just so that you have a clean ponytail. So again, secure the ponytail, and then you're going to go ahead and release the ponytail to the left of it. Again, repeating the process. You're going to open up the ponytail like an alligator's mouth and pull the braid to pull the ponytail to the right of that, right through the ponytail, and then clip that ponytail aside. You don't ever want that ponytail to mix or mingle with the rest of the hair. So if you have a lot of layers in your hair, you're going to notice that as you get more towards the right hand side, or as you work more towards the right hand side of your head, you're going to have a lot of hairs sticking out. You're going to see that I actually am going to use some alligator clips because my model's hair is in quite a bit of layers and they do stick out, making it a little bit difficult to section them apart to create ponytails. So what I'm basically doing for the rest of the video is just repeating the process from left to right all the way through until I've incorporated enough hair, or until I've incorporated all the hair to the point where there are no strands left on the right hand side. So as I'm nearing the end of my braid, you can see that I go ahead and adjust the braid. I pull it apart to give it a more voluminous effect. I tuck in the bottom of the braid or the end of the braid underneath the overall updo, and I use plenty of bobby pins to tuck away any hairs that are sticking out, any layers that are sticking out of the updo. So the end part of this updo is just a matter of pinning and adjusting the braid to your liking. So if you have a mirror, you can look in the mirror and adjust accordingly. And that's it. You've got yourself a beautiful pull through updo. You can choose to lessen the number of ponytails so that you would get your overall final product would look, I would say the sections would be poofier and puffier. So you can choose to do smaller sections like I've done here with plenty of ponytails, or keep it simple with maybe 4 to 5 ponytails and keep the bottom of the do puffier. I hope you enjoyed this updo. I think it's perfect for birthdays, weddings, any special events that you are looking forward to. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next one.